when mother refused to do his laundry. You're 10 years old now. You need to learn to wash your own clothes. The mother refused the son when he handed in his laundry. You're already a big boy. You need to be independent. All mothers should do their kids' laundries. The son pursed his lips and said, Why can't you wash mine? Because you're a little man. The mother still didn't take the clothes. The son flung his clothes on the floor with anger. I'll do it. The father picked up the clothes. Don't, said the mother. She took the clothes from her husband and put them on the sofa. Let him wash clothes by himself. Every time the son had dirty clothes, he would let his mother wash them for him. His mother refused him every time she asked him to wash clothes by himself each time. Well, he still angrily flung his clothes on the floor. Then his mother would calmly pick them up and lay on the sofa. The son got more and more dirty laundries on the sofa and less clean clothes to wear, until one day he was out of clean clothes. Mom, wash my clothes, please. The son looked longingly at his mother. Sweet mom, wash them for me, please. My boy, said his mother, rubbing his little head gently. You're a big boy now. You need to do your own stuff. Do you understand? The mother brought her son a basin of clean water and put a piece of soap in front of him. She looked at him with tender eyes. The son curled his lips and put clothes carelessly into the basin, and he randomly stirred a few times and put the clothes in the water. Tears ran down his chubby little face. After a moment of hectic, he got his clothes out of the water. After several times, the water in the basin was still dark. At that moment, the mother took the clothes from her son and hung them on a hanger. After the son finished washing, the mother smiled and kissed him gently on his tear-stained face. My baby boy has grown up, she said. The next morning, the son found out that his laundry was surprisingly clean. Mother said to father with a smile, Look how good our son is. Look how clean our son's laundry is. From then on, the son washed all his clothes by himself, getting cleaner and cleaner every time. The son often said to his friends at school, Look at my clothes, how clean they are. I'm independent now. One late night, the son got up for the bathroom. He noticed that the light there was on and a sound of washing. He quietly got into the bathroom. In fact, his mother was redoing his laundries. The strongest man in the world is the independent man. Independence is very important. Only those who can be independent can survive in the cruel society. The mother had to let go for her son's bright future.